Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucas Dantas here. Another video about GoHighLevel, and today I'll show you automations that can make you a lot of money. And I'm gonna share two examples that are completely different. You can see right here on my screen. This is the first example I would like to show. It's a B2B company. They are in the logistics industry, so they sell plastic pallets to company all over the United States. And for this company, we did something that's different, and you might have seen this before in other videos with other creators talking about this. And the way we have set up this account is that we don't have an opt-in form, but we have created an automation on the back end so they can load list of contacts, and our automation will guide people to book a call with them and then close the sale. So every month we download lists from other providers and we just dump into GoHighLevel, and then we just try to squeeze the juice out of this list. Every time we have this list, huge amounts of contacts, you just try to get the most out of it, and that's what we're gonna see here. We have two automations going on with this client. One we're using for trade shows. So every time they go to a trade show, they get a list of contacts, and we dump this list of contacts. We upload this list of contacts into GoHighLevel, and we have an automation to take care of these people. And what happens here? So when we click on automation, you can see all these folders. I click on trade show, and this is the automation we have built. This is a smaller automation. So this is a trade show, so they don't have as many contacts as they would just downloading a list of contacts from other platforms like ZoomInfo, which, by the way, I do have a video talking about ZoomInfo in this channel, but that's what we do. We download a list of contacts from ZoomInfo, we dump into GoHighLevel, and we also have trade shows where we get a list of contacts from there as well, and we dump into a different automation. And here is where you can see, I click on trade show leads. We have the sequence of 7 emails that spread out between 2 days each. You see that we have this interval of 2 days between each email, and we send the sequence to everyone in this automation. And what happens is, if people click on one of these links, let me open one of the emails so you can see. Here we are introducing the company, and then we have a link to our about page, and we might have another link for a schedule call. So in all these emails, we're sharing a link, and all these links are being tracked, because if people click on those links, they go to a different automation, which means these people have a higher interest than people that haven't clicked on the links. So here, whenever people click on the products page, for example, then we have a different type of messaging, a more aggressive messaging, trying to get a call with them. So if people click on the product page, they've shown a higher interest than other people, and we want to get them in a call as soon as possible so we can talk to them and close the sale. And this is what we're doing here, and you can see all the steps of this automation right here. And I'm just gonna go through marketing so you can see one thing. Here on trigger links, these are all the links we're tracking. So for example, if people click on the booking appointment page, that person has shown a higher interest than someone that have clicked on the about page. All these people have shown some interest when they click on the link, but based on the link that they have clicked, we can measure their interest. So for example, we have provided a video so they can watch. So if they watch the video, we're gonna say, oh, we noticed that you have watched our video. Let's talk about the next steps. So there's a lot of ways that you can reach out to people. So here in this case, our most important links are the booking appointment page. We also have a product page, which is our catalog. These are two important pages that we're tracking, and if someone clicks on those links, we absolutely will reach out to them with a more aggressive message, trying to get them in a call as soon as possible. And I've talked about this first workflow, this first pipeline, which is for trade shows, assigned to a broker. Here in this case, all these columns represent a stage of the sale that they are. So here it's really straightforward. Here, contact, that means we have sent them an email. Trigger link click, that means they have clicked on one of the links. And assigned to a broker, that means that this person is ready to close, and we assign an internal agent, a broker, for this client, so they have an account manager going forward. And the other one, it's a ZoomInfo pipeline. This is where we dump the list from ZoomInfo straight into GoHighLevel, sending a different email sequence, but still with the same goal, trying to book a call and close a sale. In this case here, it's a lot more. We have 9,000 people on this workflow, 128 people clicking on the links, and 4 assigned to broker, which means that these people will close a sale. And oh, you're wondering, oh, is this really worth like only 4 out of 10,000? Every company here here represents at least 5 digits, and most of these cases are recurring 5 digits. So the effort here, it's almost zero, because first, you don't need someone to keep sending these emails for you. The automation does it for you. And second, it's a high ticket sale. So even if just one of these 10,000 people close a sale, it would still be worth it. You would still go over the investment that we have done on GoHighLevel to build this automation. And also with the price of ZoomInfo for the whole year, it will cover. These 4 people cover ZoomInfo for a whole year. So this is the example I would like to show you guys. And I have a different example. This one is even crazier because I have built a community about a soccer team and I create content in Portuguese about this team. There isn't a lot of content out there, so I've done it in a different way. I've created social media in all platforms, but we have YouTube channel as well. We have Twitch, we have a podcast. We are everywhere basically. And we also have a website. By the way, all these platforms are monetized, but we're still in the, how can I say, in the baby phase. We're still not making any money, you know? We cannot even withdraw the money because it's not enough. But we sell products and we sell every day through email. What you see right here is our pipeline for the products. So these people have just purchased, these people are waiting for shipping, and this we have already shipped. So this is all the orders we have shipped, 83 orders. It's a lot. And I'm gonna show you the automation we have built. This is in Portuguese, but I just would like for you to understand the concept of what we're doing here. So when people become a member of the community, we send several types of emails. We send emails about content that is no longer new, but it's still relevant. So we have views on YouTube based on this automation. We send emails to ask them to follow us on Twitch. So we get followers from Twitch here, followers on social media, and of course, money in the pocket. That's what we want the most. Products being sold every day. So when they join the community, I put them in that first stage you saw on the pipeline. And then we send an email introducing our community, all the rules, all the links that they need, and we talk about a shirt that we're selling. And if they click on the link of the shirt, we're giving them automatically 10% of discount. So they click on the link, I will send you a different email, automated email saying, I saw you have interest in our jersey. Here, 10% of discount. Go to our store and buy it now. And that's how we have been getting sales. We have been getting sales from everywhere, every day, from email, and also it helps with our engagement as well. I want to release a version of GoHighLevel for influencers because this is huge. An influencer that can have this loop, you know, it's a constant cycle because new people get into this every day. So they're being bombarded by our content, our social media pages, how to follow us, how to watch the games, how to get a shirt. So basically we're telling them everything, and we have every single type of content to show to them. That's pretty much it. I would like to share this case with you guys because these automations can make you money, and people sometimes just can't get a hold of how they can do it. And at least with this video, you might be able to get some ideas of how you can structure this. The trigger links is a no-brainer. So if you are a business that offers several services, several products, and you also do a lot of content, trigger links is very useful for this because you're able to share content about the products and the services that you are offering. We talk about them in a different angle, and you can measure interest based on the clicks on those links. My suggestion would be create your sequence, your 5 email sequence, and add those links to the trigger links feature on GoHighLevel, and then create the automation behind those trigger links. That's my suggestion for you that is starting right now on GoHighLevel and still are trying to get a hold of how automations can help you. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber yet. Enable the notifications so every time there's a new video, you get notified. And don't forget to share this video with your friends because I know a lot of them will benefit from this. That's it. See you in the next one.